Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Get out of bed. I get out of bed and stretch my body. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth after I wake up. Wash face. I wash my face with cold water. Get dressed. I get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I eat breakfast at the table. Drink coffee or tea. I drink tea in the morning. Leave the house. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. Go to work or school. I go to school by bus. Use the phone. I use my phone to call my friend. Work or study. I study English at my desk. Take a break. I take a short break after work. Have lunch. I eat lunch with my family. Walk outside. I walk outside in the park. Go shopping. I go shopping on Saturdays. Cook food. I cook dinner for my family. Have dinner. I have dinner at 7 p.m. Watch TV. I watch TV in the evening. Take a shower. I take a shower before bed. Go to sleep. I go to sleep at 10 p.m.